Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can exchange eFootball points for uniforms in eFootball 2024. So you can get special uniform for rewards. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game. Still confusing how you can complete the quest or objective. And also you can challenge the event. So you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the shop, tap the middle one, eFootball points. You can exchange eFootball points for reward here. Tap and tap the middle one, uniform. So currently only one special uniform here, eFootball origin. Let's get back, sorry. This one. So you can get this eFootball origin by exchange 5,000 eFootball points. And in 7 days from I made this video. So if you need this special uniform, please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click text button below. Enjoy the game.